Hello guys, welcome back to Nathan Gaming. And today we're going to have Farm Animals Race in the campfire track. We have the herbivores, carnivores, and the omnivores. Reptiles and mammals and the smallest, the biggest, and the last. Who will be the winner, guys? Please like this video. Are you ready, guys? And go! No! Look at that. The Highland Tackle. Come on, the goat. And, oh, and the ostrich is the first animal to get, and the ostrich is in the magma burns. And 10 minutes. He only get half a heart. Oh, I forgot to set the timer. And the ostrich, and he's clear, guys. Oh, so amazing. It's a little glitchy, so here we have there are so many farm animals. The Lord Emu and the Rhode Island Whisper. The black horse and the spotted horse. And it's 9:13 seconds. 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, the horses. I think it's too hard for the horse just to get in there. The horse. And this is not fence. Let's remove all this junk and the water. What are you doing? And the Americans and the kept goat. There's so many. There's 4. Oh, the horse! I think he's going back, guys. Oh, the horse. And he's going back, guys. I don't know what happened to him. And the sheep. Here we have the goose, the sheep, and the horse, the blue brown horse. Let's break a more nets. The horse. What are you doing? Horse. We have the turkey and the goose. Oh, the baby emu. Oh, here we have free flew in the sky, but not emu. The turkey is around, flying a short distance. And the emu cannot goose and turkey go to there. And it's only 6 minutes left. Oh, the horse. The Shetland horse.
Festes keine Grenzen kennt und
and 30 minutes. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Come on. Have the Rhode Island Rooster and Rhode Island Rooster and it's only 5 minutes left. Come on, go, go, go. Another chicken, and one of them flew into, and chicken goes back to the ground. And chickens can fly, but a short distance. You're not flightless. And 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, it's Thunderstorm, guys! Come on! Oh, the lightning has coming! It will be harder for it will be disturbing the animals and here we have the muddy feet, we have the bull, and they named it guys. Here we have Akaldeke horse. Have the Frisian cow.
Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Каждая девчонка хочет танцевать с тобой. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Я такая вся, что ты певица будешь крутой.
Oh, the black horse. What are you doing? And there's so many animals. I can't. And there is we have the wild Mexican camel and 2 minutes left. Go, 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 go. The Mexican camel and the big beak. We have the bang tree. The camel's camel go later. Here we have another battery dromedary and dromedary camel. Oh, goodbye. And the dromedary camel.
Sigma, Sigma boy, но не мой, молча как немой, смотрит никуда. Ой, какой это взгляд огонь. Куда буду ждать, когда тебя заберешь.
And it's only 1 minute left. And also 2 minutes. Also known as 2 minutes left. Oh, come on. Here we have the chicken. Another, the baby chicken, the mama chicken. And they flew into the sky, and the chickens go to the ground. And the chickens and the goose made it. The chickens going this way, and then oh sheep! Oh, and the sheep made it. Good job, sheep. And they have 1 minute left. Come on, go, 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 go! And the crow chicken, all pigeon. And the pigeon and the crow and the horse, and there is 10 seconds left. Come on, go faster. 3, 2, 1, and close the door. Oh, that's not much. The last seconds, guys. Good job, Llama. There is the horse. Oh, I'm so sorry. You failed. It's on the and also killed. And no chicken left. And another camel here. The baby camel. I'm so sorry, you are too late. Why don't you go with your mommy? Sorry, you can go with your mommy. The camel. And the camel, baby camel, get in with it out. And also, the animals will not make it, guys. No chicken left. No chicken, all safe. No more chickens outside of this. All the chickens survive. The animals will not make it because the water coming. Now everything is under the water. And it's hard to get in. I got the door closed, and here there are the survivors, guys. We have the animals who survive, guys, and all the chickens in here. Like, so amazing. This is the end of this video.